Hey people, so it is today by 7:30 in the morning. I've been all dressed and it's today is like a big day for me. I need to. That's what I do. These ebook. I write ebooks on Amazon, right? So today I'm going to be, giving some of these ebooks and a finishing touch and then uploading it. So it's but that apart, people, I thought I should start this new series of speaking of things that I've learned in my life. I used to do this earlier, so I thought I should continue it. And this morning when I woke up, I was just watching like on YouTube some of these segments of. There used to be this program called Ramayan. Those of us who that's what in our childhood it used to come on TV. And like on the Kapil Sharma show, they had the Ramayan, the cast of characters. They called them as to interview them. And it's so strange. They say the Arun Govil, who played the character of Ram, who played Ram Bhagwan in the series, says that he had got this inner urge that he had to go and meet Ramanand Sagar, the thing, and request him to give him the role of Sri Ram. He says it was just an inner urge that I felt. So and he says when he went and asked for the role, Ramanand Sagar just looked at him. He was wearing specs, and he just looked at him that you would want to be Sri Ram. And and apparently he got rejected. But then later it was like the whole set of it's a committee kind of decided that it should be Arun Govil who plays the character of Ram, Sri Ram. So no, what I'm saying is there is that divine hand. Yeah, what we think is of our own making actually comes from a higher power. Yeah, I mean, with regard to my ebooks also, I'm understanding this, and very strange. Yeah, I mean, and when I was like 13, 12, 13, yeah, 13, 14, I used to be obsessed with the idea of having a dimple. I used to literally be pressing one side of my cheek saying that a dimple should appear, dimple should appear. And now that I'm in my 30s, whatever this is, it looks like a dimple. So it's like literally we can will certain things into our life. So I find that utterly fascinating. So really, people, so I think this video can go on like endlessly, but truly it's just what we think is in our hands is actually a higher power deciding for us. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.